Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back again to a brand new video. My name is Angelo from Cosmos Ink, and in today's video I will be explaining what is sublimation. So before we get into the video, of course, there are three things I need y'all to do for me, all right? Number one, hit the subscribe button down below. That way you all will be notified whenever I post new videos. Number two, be sure to join our Facebook group. Just hit the link down below in the description. Once you hit that link, it'll redirect you to the group. Once you're in the group, we do things like tutorials, giveaways. You can post up questions. You can post up your artwork. It's just a whole community of people who do sublimation for a living. So just hit that link down below. It'll take you there. And last but not least, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So if you need any type of sublimation ink for your projects, just hit the link down below. It'll take you to our website. We'll get everything packed up and shipped out to you ASAP. So that's pretty much everything. Let's go ahead and dive into the video. So what is sublimation? That is the question that we get every single day from everywhere. What is sublimation? Well, sublimation derives from the word sublimate, which is to turn from a solid into a gas, completely skipping the liquid state. So for our case, what we're doing with sublimation ink, when sublimation ink is on the paper, it is a solid. And then once we apply heat to it, it turns from a solid into a gas and adheres to our sublimation products, our sublimation substrates. So with that being said, when you're doing sublimation, you have to use sublimation products, all right? You have to use items that are made for sublimation. No, you cannot just go to the store like Dollar Tree or Dollar General or Walmart or just all these other places and just buy things and thinking you can sublimate on them. It don't work like that, all right? So that is what is sublimation. Also, let's add, just a little bit more today, all right? So with sublimation, you definitely want to sublimate, if you want the truest colors, sublimate on white substrates. All right, when you sublimate on white substrates, you're gonna get the truest color, but then number two, sublimation does not have white ink. So if you have any whites in your image, the white of the shirt or the white of the coffee mug or the white of the dog tag, it will fill in that void where you have white in your image. If you're using another color shirt, like let's say like a yellow shirt or like a pink shirt, the colors will blend into that shirt and it's not gonna be the original colors that you see on your computer screen or the ones that you see on your transfer. It's pretty much like mixing paint. Once you mix two different colors of paint together, it's gonna come out with a brand new color. So that's why we recommend that you sub on white substrates, all right? That pretty much wraps up this video. I'm gonna try to keep a lot of the videos really short, but definitely long enough to be able to provide you the information that you need. And if there's anything that I missed in this video, best believe I will cover every single topic within sublimation. So that wraps up everything for this video of what is sublimation. And last but not least, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. That way you all will be notified whenever I post new content. Number two, hit the link down below to join our Facebook group. And last but not least, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So if you need any type of sublimation ink supplies, just hit that link down below as well. It'll take you to our website where we can get everything sent out to you, all right? That's it. I'll see you all in the next video. Angelo out.